we will we will upload our YouTube channel. I have
Yes, ma'am.
no objection anytime. Do you have any objection?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no
This is the
problem.
main.
So could you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. My name is Kajal Tiwari. I blessed with two children. And if you want about my education, I have completed master degree also in Delhi University.
Yeah, yeah,
Apart
yeah.
from that, before 2 years, I have completed my B.Ed, ma'am. And these days,
Okay.
I am interested to learn this language. And I'm a
Wow.
YouTuber also, and I'm a housewife.
Sounds good,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. To listen your
Yes,
so
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
now
you
my
have
turn.
introduced little bit for yourself.
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah. Thank you to giving me this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you very much. So yes, I'm Mrs. Meena. I have done my graduation long time ago, and I am a mother of two kids. And yes, I'm a housemaker, and simultaneously I run my YouTube channel and like this conversation videos I upload over there. I just 1 month ago I started my YouTube channel. Yes, actually I have no topic. I just saw your message over there, and I would like to connect you. You know, because lots of time I want to connect, but that time didn't possible. So
Yes, ma'am.
now,
Ma'am, actually, we are a house homemaker, na? That's the main reason all the time I'm busy.
yeah,
Yes,
same thing with me. Because morning time it's uh, very difficult
yes,
to one
ma'am.
second or 2 second free of time I couldn't get. Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
evening time also same thing with me. So afternoon time only I get a little bit free time. Yes, and that time
Ma'am,
I
when you
want to
have
utilize.
when you have started your learning journey, ma'am.
Yes, yes. My learning journey, actually, I am very passionate since my childhood. And yes, education time and after education couldn't enhance this language. But nowadays, I got a little bit of free time in the afternoon. So my both kids encourage me because only I am very passionate to learn this language. So they encouraging me, and then yes, I feel yes, I have to reconnect again this language. So since you can say yes, 3 or 4 months ago I start to learn this language again. Very
But
good
this time
decision,
I'm
ma'am.
not knowing very well in spoken. Just little bit, little bit I have to spoke other persons.
By practicing it will be enhancing, ma'am. Don't worry. If you make a mistake, doesn't matter, you will definitely enhance. You know where you did your mistakes, and from that mistake you definitely learn something. And you know
Actually, ma'am, many people
mistake.
know that all the rules of speaking and all the rules of grammar. But this time
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
knowing, and I have
Same
no
with
more
me,
time to
ma'am.
how to learn.
I don't know what is the rule. Okay, some rules I know, but all rules I don't know. Okay, so that's why I make mistakes lots of. I know it. But
I'm
yes, by
same, ma'am.
practicing, it's okay, no problem.
Yes, I'm doing same. But anybody can say that no, ma'am, you are speak very well. You
Yeah,
not
you are
putting
saying very
any
well.
mistake. I don't know why they can say it ki you have putting any mistake.
Definitely, ma'am. Sometimes what is happen, we that person who speak, okay, that person don't know where is a mistakes. But yes, it front of that people, front of that person, feel very well. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that hesitations only comes in our mind. That's why we feel I'm not in good this language. Okay,
Actually, ma'am,
but
I
in
watched
front
many
of,
videos,
huh?
many persons videos. They cannot speak properly. Even her sound is not so good.
Yeah.
But they
Okay,
speak.
pronunciation. Okay.
You have to
Yeah,
broken the sentences and they have to speak.
yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true, ma'am. Because only by practicing and they feel confidence. They are confident. That's why they speak. And by practicing, they enhance their language. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, practice is most important, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Even many people say that ki when I have started your journey, then they not speak little bit of sentences.
Yeah.
But this
Yes.
time they have to practice 3 and 4 months. They very well in speak. They speak
Yeah,
very
that's
well.
true, ma'am. Actually, you are also speak very well.
I don't know, ma'am,
Seriously.
how. Seriously, I don't know
Yes,
how.
ma'am.
But I'm a government school student and I'm
Because
not knowing that any rules.
okay. But I'm listening you, na. That's why I'm telling you.
Many people say that, ma'am, I am using Hybro app na, then people they can say it, ma'am,
Hmm.
you are not putting any mistake. Why you are say that? You speak very well. You have to continue your journey. You are a good
Yeah.
learner.
Yes, yes.
But ma'am,
And what
I
will
feel I
happen?
think I have taken I have make many mistakes.
Same thing with me. Whenever I spoke with different people, that people told me you are very good in English. So why you are feel you are not good in English? So yes, I feel I am not very well speak in English. So but my that co-learner told me like this same thing because I don't know.
Ma'am,
I don't know
I
what
in this
they
time
why
I
are
have used present tense sentences na. That time I feel
they.
good. But I have used to past tense sentences. That time I'm not feel comfortable. I think I make a mistake. I think I make a mistake. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
same thing happens with me. There is a perfect tense, perfect past tense, and perfect present tense. That time I feel I make a mistake whenever using that sentences. That time I feel I make a mistake.
Because na
Yes.
ma'am, this time I have we are spoken na. That time I'm not thinking ki what I can say it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So no problem. By practicing, it will be enhancing your language, your confidence
Not
level.
audible.
Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
So
But when you have to write down on your notebook, na ma'am, and read them, that time you'll know that ki how to use, how to don't use. But this time you have to spoken. All the things are forget. How I can use this type of formulas in our sentences?
yeah, yeah, correct. Only what is happen? Only content we keep in our mind, okay, and sentences, rules, and corrections, and all vocabulary we forgot. The same thing
Yes,
happen
ma'am.
with me as well because we are learner now, so it happens. Don't
Ma'am,
worry.
we are learner, and this time I am not knowing any grammar rules, na, and verbs also, because tenses are many tenses are used in verbs. Depend on
Yeah, yeah,
verbs, na
yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. There is
Yes, and I have not
five
learned
forms
any
of
one and
verbs.
two verbs.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. There is a
That's it. Yes,
five forms of verbs. So yes,
yes, ma'am.
we did
Ma'am, but
not know.
four forms of verbs, na, it's same. Use ing. All the verbs are you have to use ing. That's it. Four forms is completed.
There is a ing with verb with ing that will be in only continuous tenses, isn't
No,
it?
ma'am, no. वर्ब के फोर फॉर्म आई हैव टू स्पीक दैट टाइम इन हिंदी. वर्ब की जो फोर फॉर्म होती है ना मैम, उसमें जस्ट आईएनजी पुट करना होता है. आप किसी भी बुक में देखिएगा, ऑल द सेंटेंसेस के पीछे आईएनजी ही पुट होता है. दैट्स इट.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ. That's when I am
हाँ.
speaking here.
मैनी
ing
टीचर्स.
only comes in continuous tenses, continuous, present
यस, यस,
continuous,
यस,
past
यस,
continuous.
यस
That
मैम.
ing comes only in continuous tense,
यू
present,
मैम, वी हैव टू लर्न ओनली थ्री फॉर्म्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, बट दैट्स इट.
in school only. Yes, in school only.
But ma'am,
Yes.
in this time we only use, there are only three types of verbs, because many teachers teach them you have to learn five verbs, five forms. But
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not.
five forms.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not
that's
knowing
true.
what is the use of verbs, verbs की fifth form. But I know that verbs की जो three forms है, it's useful to our communication. Only this.
Most of the people use for three forms only. But
Even
ing form is very simple. That's why our teacher doesn't taught to us. Okay, there is a ing for that verb with a ing. That is also fourth form. They didn't taught to us in our school. So that's why it's
when I have
happens.
learned when I have learned tenses in YouTube, that time many teachers teach them कि you have to use verb की verb की first form plus ing
Mm.
in continuous tense. But you have to use
Yeah.
verb की first form and verb की fourth form to use in continuous tense. But that time I confused. But I watched many videos. That
Okay.
time I sure कि I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
verb की fourth form is means to continuous tense.
yeah.
That yes.
Continuous, in the continuous tense, always we have to put in front of that verb ing. Okay, and that verb that is the fourth form of that verb. Okay, so yes.
Ma'am, this time I think conversation is so long. Next day I have to, ma'am, you and I have to prepare past tense, and we
Yeah,
have discussed with. Yeah, I think
yeah.
it's a good method to improve our
Yeah,
correct
yeah,
tenses to
correct,
do that.
ma'am. No problem. We will
Mm.
doing our practice like this way. Then definitely we enhance
Yes,
our
ma'am.
language. Definitely.
Many people
So
like that do in her practice, ma'am. So I decided that
yeah,
I have to practice with you tomorrow, ma'am.
yeah.
In past
Before
tense.
may I upload this conversation video on my channel?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. I have a.
Bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Same here, ma'am.
Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.